Okay, welcome back, mathematicians. Today we're doing division of decimal fractions, and the first thing which you should know about already is dividing by 10. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. Good. 500 divided by 10? Good. 50. 5,000 divided by 10? 500. 2,800 divided by 10? 280. So what is happening? It's the inverse of what we did when multiplying with powers of 10. Remember, the digits move to the right. Now the digits are moving left. 500 divided by 100? 5. 5,000 divided by 100? 50. 2,800 divided by 100? 28. Okay, you need to go and learn this rule. When dividing a number by 10, all the digits move one place to the right. When dividing a number by 100, all the digits move how many places? 2 places to the right. To the right. Okay, the digits are moving to the right, so the zeros are disappearing. Right, terminology. You have to know, okay, we're looking at the 12 is the dividend. The 3 is the divisor, because I'm dividing by 3. And the answer to a division sum is called the quotient. You need to know that terminology. Right, dividing decimal fractions. So the first example we're going to get is 2,34 divided by 0,3. You cannot divide by a decimal. So the best thing to do would be 2,34. You write it as 2,34 divided by 0,3. Remember, this line actually means divide. I cannot divide by a fraction. Remember when we did common fractions, you couldn't divide by a fraction, so you had to multiply by the inverse. Okay, so I want to get this to a 3. What do I do to that to get it to 3? I multiply by 10, because then that comma moves there and I get a whole number. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I'm going to multiply by 10, and now I will have 23,4. I still like to divide using long division. You don't want long, okay? So I'm going to say we are dividing that by 3. So 3 goes into 23,4. Okay, the first thing you do is you're going to put your comma in the correct place. Sometimes it even helps to draw blocks, because each of those need to be filled up. Okay, 3 goes into 2. It can't go, so I'm going to put a dot. 3 goes into 23. 7 threes are 21. Remainder 2. Carry your 2 over. 3 into 24 goes? Is there a remainder? No. So that answer would be 7,8. Any questions? Okay. Worked examples. Right, I'm going to quickly do this. This is in your book, but you're going to explain what we do here. What is the first thing you do? And I want you to remember this when we do algebra and when we were doing integers. I said, yes, Kelly, we're going. Okay, so we are going to have 14,673 divided by 0,9. I want to move the comma, oopsie, I want to move the comma, how many places? One place, okay? The divisor will tell you how many places. So you just make that a whole number. So my whole aim is to get 9. And if I move the comma one place to the right in the denominator, I must move the comma one place to the right in the numerator. So over here, I'm going to get 146,73, and I will say 9 into 146,73. Prepare your fraction. So if I have a comma there, I'm going to put the comma there, and I know that I must have those places filled up. So 9 goes into 1, can't go, put a dot. 9 goes into 14. 1 times 9 is 9, remainder 5. 9 into 56. 7 nines are 60. 6 nines are 54, remainder 2. 9 into 27. 3, any remainder? No. 9 into 3, can't go. So now I have that 3, I add a 0. 9 into 30. 3 nines are 27, remainder 3, add a 0. What is happening? Right, your 3 is going to be recurring. Then you have to go back to your instructions to see how many decimal places you have to round off to. And normally it's going to be 2 decimal places. So I mark my 2, second decimal place is there, and then I look at the neighbor. Good. This is my neighbor. So I'm rounding off to there. My neighbor is 3. If it is 5 or less, we just annihilate that. And then this is going to be 16,30. Why do I have to put that 0? 2 decimal places. Right, in your groups, I want you to do this quickly. Number 1, number 2. No, in your books, please. Right, that's all for today. Thank you.